Got a bonus. Let's see what we got now. What's going on, baby? So far.
So far, it's a lot. It's a lot.
Okay, if we get the money back, we'll be happy. Oh, we got more spins? Oh, the bird. Hi, I'm Gabi.
And I'm Katie.
I'm from Brazil.
And I'm from the U.S.
And today, we are going to
Las Vegas.
Yes.
For those who know us, Las Vegas holds a special spot in our hearts because we got married there. And this is our third time going back to Vegas. We want to try and give you some insider tips from beginners, if that's even a possible thing.
Even that is our third time, we're still beginners in Vegas.
Yeah, but we've learned some things. We'll take some tips from us about a first-timer's experience going to Las Vegas.
Yes.
So, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
No point walking down the jetway this morning. You are welcome.
So, we just got here.
It was a good flight. Thank God.
When you land, you probably have to take a tram to a baggage claim area. Our preferred method is to use rideshare, like Uber. You come in and go to the second floor, they have the Uber area. Las Vegas has it set up real nice where whenever you call for the Uber or Lyft, they have a designated area that the person goes to and they'll text you whatever space that is so there's no confusion about is that your ride or not. About to head up there, catch an Uber and go to the hotel.
Yes.
We made it.
Yes.
We're at our quote-unquote favorite hotel, Planet Hollywood, in the middle of the strip. When choosing a hotel or resort to stay in, you want to consider location, then you want to consider cost. When you talk about both location and cost, we can't find a better hotel than Planet Hollywood.
Yeah, these hotels I think is the best deal, especially if you're first time in Vegas, because it's literally in the middle of the strip, and the strip is the main street in Las Vegas, so you can do everything by walking. You don't need to take a cab or Uber to go to the Ferris wheel or something like that, so it's really good to stay right here.
Yeah, you're right across the street from the Bellagio Fountain. Of course, there are definitely more luxurious hotels, but like she said, it's a good start resort. Eventually, we'll expand and go to other places. We plan to try and stay in a lot of different hotels. Definitely cosmopolitan on the list. When looking for deals for this week, this was the best one. Another thing to note, normally we're getting here late, like around 9. We got an early flight this time, so we got here around 9:30, 10 o'clock a.m. Vegas time. That means we had to check in early. You don't have to check in early. What you can do is leave your bags at the front desk until your check-in time. Check-in times are typically around 4 o'clock for any resort. So if you get here anytime before that, then you have to plan to either pay an early check-in fee or leave your bags at the front desk, which isn't a problem if you plan effectively, but we wanted to go ahead and get in the room and get settled and everything, so we went ahead and paid the early check-in fee. The early check-in fee is expensive. It's gone up. It used to be pay like $20 to $30, and that's the early check-in fee, if you even had to pay, because sometimes they may waive it depending on how close it is to check-in time. But now it was like $50. That's more than we paid per night for the room.
This is another thing, when you choose your hotel, you must understand that the price that you pay during the week is not the same price that you pay Friday and weekends. It's totally different. Totally different.
So next tip is that if you're staying in a hotel, the water or things in the convenience store at the hotel are going to be expensive as hell.
You spend a lot of money if you do that.
So what we do is just go to the pharmacist or CVS or Walgreens is always close. You want to go to the closest one, maybe you get it for cheaper.
Yes. So the convenience store that is closest to Planet Hollywood is the Walgreens. And right there they have many options of water, soda, soft drinks, beers.
like I said, for a lot cheaper. So
Yes.
definitely go to your closest convenience store or pharmacy to get cheap drinks. You don't pay the expensive prices in the hotel.
And the good thing about this hotel too, they have a mini fridge, so you can put everything inside of the mini fridge. It's not all the hotels they have the mini fridge inside of the room.
Right. Cheers. One of the easiest and most cheapest things you can do when you're in Vegas is go to the Bellagio Garden.
Yes.
Free. $3.99. And it changes 5 times a year. It's always beautiful. It's always great to see. So we saw Chinese New Year and spring. And now we're seeing the summer. It's probably about to change again too for fall. So check it out. That's pretty much it. When you get into Vegas, we had to skip a day because we had things to do. But some other last minute tips is one, make sure you wear good walking shoes because nothing is as close as it seems.
Please.
You can see it and you still be walking what seems like miles to get to.
Yes. It's so close, but it's so far.
Another thing, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you want to try and get free drinks, you can always find a low limit slot machine, sit there, and then the waitress come through, get you a drink. You want to choose a place that has good drinks or it has these low limit slot machines. If you see a waitress, go ahead and hop on one.
Yeah, but don't try to do that in the morning because it's in the morning and you don't see so many waiters walking around. But lunchtime is the best way for you to do that.
And again, this is not a guaranteed method. Okay?
Yeah, no.
Not guaranteed at all, but it has worked for us. We've done it. It's worked out. Sometimes it hasn't.
He's drinking the free drink that we got. I'm getting my free drink too. Thank you, Planet Hollywood. The most expensive free drink in our lives.
But I wasn't on a low limit slot machine. So.
It can be the most expensive free drinks that you have.
Can be. Or the cheapest if you end up hitting and winning.
It's true.
So yeah. But other than that, that's everything that we got. Hope these tips help anybody coming to Vegas for the first time. From a first timers or third timers experience.
Beginners.
Yeah. If you have any questions about Vegas, please let us know. Make sure you like the video.
Yes.
Subscribe to the video.
Yes.
Tell your mama.
Yes.
Tell your dad.
Yes.
My pie.
Sim.
Chill.
Sim. Primas e primas.
Primas. All of everybody. And we'll see you in the next video, okay?
Beijo.
Beijo.
Kiss,
Tchau,
kiss.
tchau.
E tchau, tchau.